Hello everyone, you are watching as for Shamsi YouTube channel. Are you experiencing issues with your Meaco Dehumidifier not collecting water? Don't worry, we have got you covered in this video. We'll walk you through some easy troubleshooting steps and solution to get your dehumidifier working efficiently again. So why is your Meaco Dehumidifier not collecting water? Here are some common issues to check. Number 1, incorrect humidity setting. Number 2, clogged air filters. Number 3, faulty humidity state. Number 4, insufficient drainage. Number 5, low refrigerant levels. Let's dive into each of these issues and explore some easy solutions. Here are some step-by-step troubleshooting steps to follow. Number 1, check the power cord and ensure it is securely plugged in. Number 2, adjust the humidity setting to high level. Number 3, clean the air filter and check for blockage. Number 4, inspect the drainage system and ensure it is working correctly. Number 5, check the refrigerant levels and top up if necessary. That's it. By following these troubleshooting steps and maintenance tips, you should be able to fix the issue with your Meaco dehumidifier not collecting water. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more home appliance tutorial and troubleshooting guides. Thank you very much.